and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say now you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, play my arms and I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
Ayun na mga guys, nakalabas na yung ating pizza margarita galing na oven. Slice na lang natin yan na parang pang appetizer, pang pika-pika. 20 sila, isa lang order eh. Kumbaga additional lang to. Gusto lang mag-pizza, slice natin maliit, pang pika-pika. Ayun na mga guys, na slice ng pang pika-pika, maliliit, para lahat sila makakatikim. Bigyan natin ng parmesan mga guys sa babaw. Ayan mga guys, yung ating pizza margarita para sa ating event na parte 3. Ayan po, please like and share po. Follow sa aking page, LDTV po. Salamat po.